Okay, so this workshop is on technical analysis plus derivatives. Right. So today what we will do, we will start with first introduction to technical analysis. Okay, I will briefly discuss with you what exactly technical analysis is. Okay, then we will see different types of charts. Okay, we have in technical analysis. Okay, next we will start with concept of support and resistance. And along with this, we will also see what is risk management. Okay, which is very important when it comes to trading. Okay, so this will be the agenda for today's session. We will try to discuss these 4 points. Now, basically in this course, you will learn, how to properly, do the analysis of any chart, any stock graph. So you will be pro in taking swing trades after this course and also taking intraday trades. So let's discuss with technical analysis what exactly technical analysis is. See, when it comes to technical analysis, this means doing the study of graph. So graph is nothing but you can say it is the graphical representation of a price. Okay, stock chart is what? Stock chart is graphical representation of a price. So take for example, this is the graph of Reliance Industries, okay, in front of you. And see how this price is performing. Initially, you can see price came down, right? And after that, you can see now price is going up. So the job of technical analyst is to study this price behavior and try to form a conclusion, how price will perform in coming trading session. This is called as technical analysis. Okay, in very simple language. So technical analysis means analyzing historical prices. ओके जो पास्ट में हो चुका है उसको आप स्टडी कीजिए एनालाइजिंग हिस्टोरिकल प्राइसेस टू फॉर्म एन कंक्लूजन हाउ प्राइसेस विल परफॉर्म इन कमिंग ट्रेडिंग सेशन ओके आने वाले ट्रेडिंग सेशंस में प्राइस कैसे बिहेव करेगा सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस ओके जो पास्ट में हो गया उसको आप स्टडी करो एंड यू कैन प्रिडिक्ट द फ्यूचर now in technical analysis we have 3 different types of charts. Okay, number 1 we have line chart. Okay, number 2 we have a bar chart, and number 3 we have a candle chart. Okay, apart from this there are also different types of charts like Heikin-Ashi chart, point and figure chart, Renko chart, but at basic level आपको ये तीनों charts पता होने चाहिए. Okay, line, bar, candle. We will study now one by one. First we will start our discussion with line chart. Okay, before that I want to know, do you guys know the timings of equity segment? Equity market कब start होता है morning में? Anyone know the timings? At what time market start? At what time trading start? Yeah, Monisha.
8 in the morning.
9 o'clock, right? 9:15. Trading actually start from 9:15. Correct, Tejas. Okay, from 9:15 till 3:30. Okay, these are the timings for equity segment. Okay, 9:15 to 3:30. Now every stock has 4 different types of prices. Okay, which is known as OHLC. Okay, here O stands for opening price. Okay, at what price? At what rate or at what price stock opened? That is known as the opening price. C stands for closing price. Finally, at what price it closed? Okay, H stands for day high. Okay, what was the maximum high price? What was the maximum level, price as tested? That is day high. And L stands for day low. Okay, so open, high, low, and close. These are the four types of prices, OHLC. Open, high, low, close. Now, in order to draw a line chart, in order to understand the line chart, see, we need only closing price. Okay, we do not want open, high, and low. Okay, there is no requirement of OHL for line chart. So let me now show you how we can plot line chart. Okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now on x-axis, we will take the time frame. So time frame can be daily time frame. Okay, if we are taking daily time frame, it will be from Monday to Friday because we have only 5 days in a week, right? It can be a monthly time frame. Okay, January to December. It can be a weekly time frame. In 1 month, we have 4 weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So meanwhile, what I will do, I will start with daily time frame, and slowly and gradually we will also learn different time frames. I will introduce other time frames also. We will also see intraday time frames. In intraday time frames, you will have a graph in minutes, like 1 minute chart, 3 minute, 5 minutes, and so on. So let's take a daily time frame. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On y-axis, we will plot prices. Okay, let's say 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, and 20 rupees. As I told you, in order to draw a line chart, okay, we need only closing price, right? So let's assume, on Monday, price closed at 5 rupees. Okay, Monday को कहां पर बंद हुआ स्टॉक 5 rupees पे. Tuesday, let's say price closed at 10 rupees. Okay, Wednesday को let's say price बंद हुआ 15. Thursday again, let's say 10 rupees. Friday again, let's say 15 rupees. Now what we will do, we will connect, okay, all these closing points and you will get a line. Okay, this is called as a line chart. This is how line chart looks on graph. So what we have done, we have just connected each and every trading session closing price. Now in technical analysis, line chart has a very limited usage. इसका कुछ ज्यादा काम नहीं है, because past में क्या हुआ है वही पता चल रहा है अपने को, right? The whole objective is to predict future. So that we cannot come to know from line chart. So that's why line chart has a very limited usage. सिर्फ जो पास्ट में हुआ है वही आपको बता रहा है लाइन चार्ट. फ्यूचर में क्या होगा वो नहीं पता चल रहा है अपने को. So that's why what we will do, this was just for your knowledge purpose, how line chart is plotted. So we will focus on now next bar chart. Now when it comes to bar chart, okay, we have two different types of bar. Okay, one is known as a bullish bar. Okay, one is known as a bearish bar. Okay, first we will see what bullish bar is. Okay, how this looks on graph. So in bar chart, what will happen? There will be one vertical line and there will be two small bars on each side. Okay, this is bar on left side and let's say this is bar on right side. Now here you need to remember left bar, okay, always represent opening price. जो लेफ्ट बार है वो आपको क्या बताएगा? ओपनिंग प्राइस. प्राइस मॉर्निंग में कहां पर खुला. ओके, राइट बार will show you closing price. Okay, finally at what price stock is closed. Okay, so left represent opening and right represent closing. And two extreme points which you can see, top and bottom. Okay, this will represent high and low. Okay, day high and day low. Now in this case you can clearly see opening is less than closing, right? Price नीचे open हुई है और बंद ऊपर हुई है. That's why this is known as a bullish bar. Bullish bar means positive bar. Okay, stock price वो दिन पे ऊपर गई है. Okay, नीचे open होके price closed at higher level. So take for example, okay, let's use some numbers in order to understand in a better way. Let's say price opened at 100 rupees. Okay, morning में stock कहां पर खुला? 100 rupees पे. Now after opening at 100, let's say price came down, maybe let's say till 97. Okay, from 97, let's say price went up. It made a day high of 108. And finally, let's say price closed at 105. Okay, so here you can see now opening is 100, okay, which is less than closing. Closing is 105. So price 100 पे खुला and बंद कहां पर हुआ 105 पे. So that's why this type of bar is known as what? Bullish bar. Now bearish bar will be completely opposite of bullish bar. So in this what will happen? Opening will be greater than closing. Right? Here opening will be greater than closing. तो price ऊपर खुलेगी and बंद नीचे होगी. So here you will see left bar and this is right bar. So this is opening now and this is closing. Opening is greater than closing. Okay, so take for example, price opened at 105, okay, went up till 108, made a low of 97, and finally, let's say closed at 100. So now in this case, you can see 105 is greater than 100. Okay, that's why this is a bearish bar. Bearish bar means negative bar. Okay, opening is greater than closing. Now compare this bar chart with line chart and tell me which graph is giving you more information. आपको ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन कहां से मिल रहा है? From line graph or from bar chart?
Bar chart.
Bar chart, correct? Because from line graph, I can only come to know about closing price. But from bar graph, okay, I can come to know about all 4 different types of prices, right? Open, high, low, close. So information wise, we can say, yes, bar chart is much more useful compared to line graph. But bar chart का भी same disadvantage है. Okay, future में क्या होगा that we cannot come to know. We won't be able to predict using the bar chart. So that's why, you know, out of all 3 different types of chart, line, bar, candle, the most important for us is candle chart. From candle chart, you can predict the future. Okay, how price can perform in coming sessions. So this candle concept is invented by Japanese. So इसको आप Japanese candlestick भी कह सकते हो. And we will also learn, you know, candle patterns. Candle patterns भी हम लोग सीखेंगे. There are total 10 patterns. Okay, I will discuss with you. So out of 10 patterns, 5 will be buy signals and remaining 5 will be sell signals. Okay, so first let me give you the introduction to candle. तो अगर आपको बार चार्ट अच्छे से समझा, okay, candle is very easy to understand. So just like bar chart also, candle is also divided into 2 categories. Okay, bullish candle, bearish candle. Okay, just like we have seen in bar chart, bullish bar, bearish bar, in the same way, candle chart is also divided into 2 categories. Okay, bullish candle, bearish candle. First, we will study, okay, bullish candle. Now, in order to understand this bullish candle, what I will do, I will again draw the bullish bar for you. Okay, so in bullish bar, opening bar will be at lower side and closing bar will be on higher side. Now, when you connect, okay, this opening bar and closing bar, okay, you will get a candle. So I will simply connect opening bar with closing bar. So this is how, you know, candle look on graph. If I erase the line which is coming in middle, okay, so candle will look like this. Okay, this candle is known as white empty candle. इसको आप क्या कहोगे? इसको आप कहोगे white empty candle. Or you can call this as a bullish candle. Okay, so here you just need to remember opening is here on the downside and closing is here, okay, on the right side. So take for example, price opened at 100 rupees. Okay, it closed at, let's say, 105 rupees. Opening is 100, closing is 105. Now in candle, okay, there are 3 important properties, okay, which you need to remember. Okay, first property is about real body. So real body means difference between opening price and closing price. Okay, like in this case, you can see opening is 100, right? Closing is 105. So this box which you can see at the center, okay, ये box को हम क्या कहेंगे? ये box को हम लोग कहेंगे real body of a candle. Okay, second and third. Second is upper shadow and third property is lower shadow. अब देखिए रियल बॉडी के ऊपर कैन यू सी दिस वर्टिकल लाइन? ओके, दिस इज अपर शैडो. इन द सेम वे एक लाइन आपको दिख रही है रियल बॉडी के नीचे. ओके, दिस वर्टिकल लाइन just below real body. This is lower shadow. Okay, upper shadow will give you the information about day high. See, in this case, price closed at 105, right? But before closing at 105, okay, price ऊपर कहां तक गया था? Let's say price made a high of 108. So 108 is a day high. And this line will be termed as what? Upper shadow. In the same way, lower shadow will give you information about day low. So price opened at 100, right? But after opening at 100, price नीचे कहां तक आई? Let's say price came down till 97. So this 97 is called as day low. And this line will be termed as what? Lower shadow. So real body will give you difference between opening price and closing price. Like in this case, the difference is 5 rupees, right? So I can say this real body is of 5 points. Okay, in this case, ये जो real body आपको दिख रहा है, this box is of 5 points or 5 rupees. Upper shadow will give you information about day high and lower shadow will give you the information about day low. Is this clear to everyone? Any confusion in this? Okay, next is bearish candle. Okay. So in bearish candle, what I will do? First, I will draw the bearish bar. Okay, so this is the opening price. This is the closing price. Okay, now we will connect again these two bars, opening and closing. And this time you will get a filled candle. See, earlier what I've told you, this is white empty candle, right? So if candle is bullish, okay, it will be white empty. If candle is bearish, okay, it will be filled candle. So when you see a filled candle, okay, this means it is a bearish candle. And bearish candle means opening will be greater than closing. Okay, opening is greater than closing. So let's say price opened at 105, closed at 100. So this is the real body of a candle, again 5 rupees. Okay, this is upper shadow. Okay, this is lower shadow. And this is real body. Everything is same. Only the difference is now opening is greater than closing. Okay, so this concept has been invented by Japanese. So you can also call this as Japanese candlestick. And there are total 10 patterns, as I told you, we will discuss. Okay, out of 10, 5 will be buy signals, 5 will be sell signals. But how we will use this candle pattern? See, we will use these candle patterns, along with support and resistance. We cannot use candle patterns in isolation. If you use candle patterns along with support and resistance, then very high chances, okay, your trade can work very well. So that's why what we will do before we learn candle patterns, we will study the concept of support and resistance. Okay, once you are good at support and resistance, then we can start learning candle patterns. But before that, let me show you on graph, whatever we have covered till now. Okay, I will show you on graph. Just give me a minute. So as of now, may I know which trading platform you guys are using? Anyone is familiar with the charts? If yes, then on which platform you see the graph? Okay, Upstox, Zerodha. Okay. So for doing the graph analysis, what we will do, we will use TradingView platform. Okay, I will show you now TradingView platform. किसी ने सुना है पहले TradingView के बारे में? Okay. So can you see my screen? Is my desktop is visible to you guys? Okay. So you can note down this web address. Okay, it is in.tradingview.com. Okay, so you can create account. You can sign up here. You can create account. Okay, there is a free access on this. Okay, you will get a free access. Just you need to sign up. Okay, in.tradingview.com. Okay, once you sign up on this platform, okay, here you can see products. Okay, here you can see the section called products. Under products, you need to go to supercharts. Okay, here under supercharts, here you can see on top left, look at my cursor. Okay, just click here. Okay, this is the symbol search column. And here you can type the name of any stock. Let's say I want to open the graph of TCS, for example. So I will type TCS. Now, when you type TCS, here you can see you will get two options. Okay, one is NSE. Okay, other will be from BSE. So always open, NSE wala chart, where NSE is written. Okay, just click on this on TCS. Okay, graph will open. So this is the candle graph of TCS. Okay, look at this arrow. Okay, look at my cursor. So from here, you will get, different types of charts. See, these are different types of charts you can see. We have in technical analysis. But very common one is line chart. Here you can see line chart. Okay, next is bar chart. And third is candle chart. Okay, so let me open line graph for TCS. So click on line. Okay, here you will see the line graph. So how line graph is plotted? Line graph is plotted by just connecting closing prices of each and every trading session. Right. Next, I will switch to bar chart. See, this is the bar graph of TCS. Now here you can clearly see we have, two different colors in bar graph, right? One is red, one is green. So red represent bearish graph, bearish bar, and green represent bullish. So look at this. This is red one. Can you see here opening is greater than closing? Opening bar is greater than closing bar, right? And you can also read OHLC. Okay, from where you will read OHLC, I will highlight for you. Okay, look at here. You can read from here OHLC, open, high, low, and close. So this is the graph of, this is the bar of 27th September. Okay, date you can see at the bottom. Okay, 27th September. On 27th September, price opened at 4335. And look at the closing. What is the closing price? Can anyone read? What is the closing price? Right, 4308. So opening is greater than closing. That's why it is a red bar, bearish bar. Okay, day high you can see 4378. Day low is 4300. And today's graph, okay, today's bar is green bar. You can see. Okay, today the date is 1st October. Okay, look at today's opening price, today's closing price. 4255 opening, closing is 4287. Okay, now I will switch to candle. So wherever it was a red bar, okay, here you can see we have a bearish candle, filled candle. And today's bar was green. So here you can see we have a bullish candle, right? White empty candle. So just place a cursor on any candle, whichever you want, and you can read the date and OHLC data. And here you can see you can use this plus sign for zoom in. Okay, you can use minus sign for zoom out. And this is, we all are looking at daily chart. Okay, so look at this arrow. When you click here you will get the different time frames. Okay, as of now, we are looking at daily time frame. So for daily time frame, what we will do, we will select only one day. If you need weekly time frame, you will select 1 week. Okay, if you need monthly time frame, you will switch to 1 month. Okay, so daily, weekly, monthly. And when you do intraday trading, okay, for intraday trading, we will use the time frame in minutes, like here, 3 minutes, okay, 5 minutes, 15, 30, and so on. So daily time frame means what? Daily time frame means one candle represent one trading session. Like last candle, if you see, this is today's candle, 1st October. Second last candle, okay, this is 30th September. Okay, third last candle, 27th September. So one candle represent one complete trading session. Okay, from 9:15 till 3:30. Okay, this is daily time frame. Weekly time frame, one candle will represent entire 1 week. Okay, look at the second last candle. So this candle opened on Monday, 23rd September. So closing will be on Friday. Okay, 27th September. At the bottom, you can see this is the candle starting date. Okay, 23rd September. Since this is a weekly candle, so this candle will close on Friday, 27th September. Last candle, okay, this candle began yesterday only, Monday, 30th September. Now this candle will again close on Friday, coming Friday. Okay, look at the OHLC data. So how you will read this OHLC data? If I keep a cursor on second last candle. So last week, okay, price opened at 4,300. So this is called as a weekly open now, since this is a weekly graph. On Monday, 23rd September, price opened at 4,300. On Friday, price closed at 4,308. So this is weekly close. Okay, weekly opening, weekly close. And this will be weekly high, 4,378. Between Monday to Friday, okay, stock made a high of 4,378. And stock made a low of 4,240. So weekly high and weekly low. In the same way, when you switch to monthly chart, so one candle will represent one entire month. Okay, take for example, second last candle. Okay, this is September candle. Okay, today new month begin, October. Okay, third last candle, you can see it is the first August candle. And when we will come to the intraday, then we will discuss this intraday time frame. For example, you can see this is 30 minutes time frame. So 30 minutes time frame means one candle will take 30 minutes to form. Okay, one candle will take 30 minutes to form. So each and every candle has a duration of 30 minutes. Okay, so this is today's graph, 1st October. You can see this is the first candle. Okay, 9 o'clock. This is the next candle, 9:30. Next candle, 10, 10:30, and so on. When you select 15 minutes time frame, okay, then one candle will take 15 minutes to form. Okay, so this is from 9:30 to 9:45. This candle is from 9:45 to 10. In every 15 minutes, you will get one candle, if time frame is 15 minutes. Okay, meanwhile, we will focus only on daily time frame. Okay, one candle represent one trading session. Okay, I will switch to the notes again, and we will start our discussion on support and resistance. Anything you like to ask? Anyone like to ask here? Okay, so we will switch to notes and we will start with concept of support and resistance. Now in support and resistance, see what will happen. Let's assume this is 100 rupees level and this is 80 rupees level. Now observe the behavior of price, how price is behaving. Let's say from 100, price is coming down till 80. Again from 80, price is going up till 100. Again from 100, price niche are up to 80. Again from 80, it is moving back to 100. Again from 100, it is coming down till 80. So stock actually is moving between these two ranges only, right? It is not going beyond 100, it is not going below 80, right? 100 के ऊपर भी नहीं जा पा रही है प्राइस, 80 के नीचे भी नहीं आ रही है प्राइस. So stock is stuck in one fixed range. So multiple times, what price has done, if you see, price is bouncing from 80 rupees level. Okay, every time it is coming down till 80 and it is going up. So I can say there are buyers, okay, who are very active near 80 level. तो इसको हम लोग कहेंगे सपोर्ट जोन. Okay, you can call this as a support zone or you can call this as a demand zone. Okay, buyers are very much active here. They are not allowing price to go below 80. In the same way, 100 rupees के ऊपर भी नहीं जा पा रहा है price, right? So there are sellers who are very active around 100 rupees level. That's why price is facing hurdle near 100. So 100 को हम क्या कहेंगे? 100 को हम कहेंगे resistance zone. Okay, resistance means hurdle, or you can call this as a supply zone, since there is a selling pressure from 100 rupees level. So whenever you see price is stuck in one fixed range, like in this case, okay, so this type of pattern is known as consolidation pattern. Okay, इसको आप कह सकते हो consolidation. Price is consolidating, or you can say price is moving sideways, or you can say price is trendless. Okay, there is no trend at all. So there are three different types of trend in market. In stock market, okay, there are three different types of trend. Okay, one is uptrend. Okay, one is downtrend. And one is sideways or trendless. So in uptrend, what will happen? The graph will look like this. In uptrend, continuously, price moves up. Price एक ही direction में ऊपर जाता है. Okay, this is uptrend. As price is going up in one direction. In downtrend, price moves in one direction, that is on downside. Okay, continuously, price keeps on falling. But in sideways trend, price behave like this. Okay, price ऊपर भी नहीं जाता है, price नीचे भी नहीं जाता है. Price stuck in one range. So that is called as a sideways. So tell me, in uptrend, who is strong? Buyers are strong or sellers are strong? What do you think? In uptrend, bulls are strong or bears are strong? In uptrend, buyers are strong, correct. Okay, that's why price is moving in one direction. In downtrend, okay, bears are strong, sellers are strong. But when price is moving sideways, both parties are equally strong. Okay, जितने buyers strong है उतने ही sellers भी strong है. That's why price is not going anywhere. Price has stuck in one range. So any one party has to give up. Then only stock price will start trend. Till the time if both parties are equally strong, okay, price will not go anywhere. Okay, price will remain in consolidation phase only. So how to trade when price is moving in one fixed range? तो इसको हम लोग trade कैसे करें? Okay, there are two ways. Okay, we can trade. Okay, let me draw this graph again. Okay, when price is moving in consolidation, okay, there are two ways we can do the trade. See, one method is what we can do. Whenever price is coming down near 80 level, okay, we can plan a buy trade. Like जब price support के आसपास आ रहा है, because we know now that 80 के नीचे नहीं जा रहा है price. So whenever price is coming very close to the 80, okay, we can take a long trade. We can plan a buy trade. And whenever price is moving near 100 rupees level, okay, वहां पर हम लोग profit book कर सकते हैं. Okay, this is one method we can use. So this type of method is known as reversal trading. Okay, इसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? इसको हम लोग कहेंगे reversal trading. So in reversal trading, what we will do? We will buy near support and we will sell, okay, near resistance. Now, in order to trade as per this method, okay, we should know all candle patterns. अपने को सारे candle patterns पता होने चाहिए. Then only we can use this method. Okay, price is taking support at 80, right? जब जब price 80 के आसपास support ले रहा है, वहां पर मुझे buy candle pattern चाहिए. So this will be double confirmation for me. Because I already know 80 के नीचे नहीं जा रहा है. And वहां पर एक buy candle pattern भी बना है. So this is like double confirmation. In the same way, price is taking resistance, right, at 100. 100 के ऊपर नहीं जा पा रहा है. तो यहां पर मुझे sell candle patterns चाहिए. So if there is a sell candle pattern around 100 rupees level, then again it will be a double confirmation because I already know 100 is a resistance. Plus we are also getting sell candle patterns, okay, which double confirm. Okay, so this is one method we can use. Another method is breakout trading. Okay, another method is called as what? Breakout trading. In breakout trading, what we will do? We will wait for price to break any one level. Okay, either 100 on upside or 80 on downside. Okay, we will wait for price to break this range. उसके बाद हम लोग trade करेंगे. So this is the second method. So today what we will do, we will focus on breakout trading. Okay, how to trade when price break consolidation zone. Okay, that we will see. Okay, so once again, let's say this is 100 rupees level and this is 80 and price is moving inside 180. So here I want now price to break either one level, either 100 or 80. Okay, let's say today, finally price break, okay, this 100 rupees level. So this is how, candle will look on graph when price will break the resistance. So in past, what was happening? 100 ke beyond price nahi ja rahi thi, right? Price was not crossing 100 level. Today you can see what happened. Finally, price managed to close above 100 for the first time. Let's say today price opened at, for example, 95 and closed at, let's say, 104. So today for the first time, stock price managed to give a close above 100 rupees. So this candle will be called as now breakout candle. ये candle को हम लोग कहेंगे breakout candle because ये candle ने resistance break किया है. Okay, this candle managed to break the resistance. So that's why this is called as a breakout candle. Okay, resistance was 100 rupees. वो level आज break हुई है. Finally price managed to give a close above 100. Now next point which you need to remember, this breakout should happen with a strong candle. Okay, breakout कैसे होना चाहिए? Strong candle के साथ होना चाहिए. Now what is the definition of strong candle? See, strong candle means candle में real body काफी बड़ी होनी चाहिए and shadows काफी छोटे होने चाहिए. Okay, candle should have a very big real body and very small shadows on both the side. So this is a strong candle. अगर कैंडल्स में रियल बॉडी काफी छोटी है और शैडोज काफी बड़े हैं, okay, then this is not a strong candle. Okay, so I hope everyone got the idea what is the definition of strong candle. Okay, candle should have a very good real body with small upper shadow and lower shadow. So we will always look for breakout with strong candle. If breakout is with a weak candle, okay, we will avoid the trade. Okay, हम लोग ट्रेड को अवॉइड करेंगे. if breakout is with strong candle, then it clearly indicates जितने भी sellers थे उन्होंने give up कर दिया है and buyers manage to defeat the sellers if candle is a very strong candle. That's why price managed to break the resistance level. Okay, now next we will find out the target. Okay, entry, stop loss, target. Okay, everything we will see now. So let's say we got this breakout on Monday, for example. तो आप ट्रेड कब लोगे? आप ट्रेड लोगे नेक्स्ट डे, ट्यूसडे को. Okay, first we will learn entry, where to purchase the stock. Okay, where to do entry. So entry will be above high of breakout candle. Okay, breakout candle का जो भी high है उसके ऊपर आपको entry लेना है. Take for example in this case, let's say breakout candle high is 105. Okay, मंडे को स्टॉक ने हाई क्या बनाया? 105. तो ट्यूसडे जब प्राइस 105 क्रॉस करेगा, ओके, उसके ऊपर आपको एंट्री लेनी है. ओके, टेक एंट्री as soon as price cross breakout candle high. So maybe you can keep 1 point buffer. Okay, you can take entry at 106. Okay, next we will discuss the target. What will be the target? At what price we should book the profit? So for target, what we will do, we will first calculate the difference. What is the difference between support and resistance? Like in this case, 100 rupees is resistance, right? 80 rupees is the support. तो ये range क्या होगी? This range is 20 points. So target, we will keep minimum 20 points. Okay, so for this, what you need to do, first you need to calculate the range, high minus low. Okay, highest value minus lowest value. So 100 is the resistance, 80 is the support. So range is 20 points. So my target will be minimum 20 points. So how we will decide target? आपको range resistance में add करना है. Okay, you need to add this 20 points in resistance. Resistance is 100. So 120 will be the target. Okay, काफी सारे traders mistake क्या करते हैं? They basically add 20 points in entry. Okay, entry में 20 points add नहीं करना. You need to add range in resistance. So 120 will be the target. So you will purchase the stock at 106, okay, for a target 120. Okay, next we will discuss the concept of SL. SL stands for stop loss. Okay. Next we will discuss the concept of stop loss. Because in technical analysis, see, there is no 100% guarantee. Okay, many times trades can fail also. In technical analysis, we deal with probability. Okay, what are the chances this will be a successful trade? Or what are the chances, this trade can go fail? So remember this point, in technical analysis, there is no 100% guarantee. If you are taking 10 trades, तो सारे 10 trades में आपको profit नहीं होगा. You should able to make a profit in at least 6 to 7 trades. अगर 2-3 trades में आपको loss भी हो रहा है तो that's fine. So that's why stop loss is very important, because we do not know, right, which trade will hit the target, which trade will hit the stop loss. Okay, which trade will hit the target, which trade will go fail, right? We do not know. So that's why stop loss is very important. So stop loss means अगर आपको ये trade में loss हो रहा है, if this trade is not going in your direction, तो where you will book the loss? आप कौन से price पे अपना loss book करोगे? Okay, that is stop loss. So you will learn this, with experience. आप experience के साथ सीखोगे what should be the ideal stop loss. Now, since we are starting today, so I will give you one basic thing about stop loss. Okay, whenever you are taking a breakout trades, okay, जब भी आप breakout trades ले रहे हो, तो breakout candle का low initially आप stop loss रख सकते हो. Okay, you can keep stop loss breakout candle low. So in this case, let's say breakout candle low is, for example, 93. So 93, you can keep stop loss in this case. As long as price is trading above 93, okay, as long as price is trading above 93, okay, we will hold the trade. Okay, we will not sell our shares. Okay, जब तक price 93 के ऊपर है, we can hold the trade. We will remain in the trade. If let's say eventually price came down and hit 93 level, okay, at that time we will book the loss. So in this case, the stop loss is, let's say, 93. So entry, where you are taking entry, 106 with stop loss 93 and for a target of 120. Okay, next we can calculate risk reward ratio. Okay, what is the risk involved in this trade and what is the expected reward? Okay, now you do the calculation. आपने entry ली है 106 पे. Okay, your stop loss is 93. Target is 120. So tell me, अगर loss हुआ, ये trade में अगर नुकसान हुआ, तो कितना loss होगा? If this trade hit your stop loss, how many points you will lose? Entry 106, stop loss 93. Yes, we will lose 13 points. Correct. If this trade hits stop loss, you will lose 13 points. If this trade hit target, so how many points you will make? If this trade hit target, तो कितने points का आपको profit होगा? How many points you will make? No, it will not be 24. 14 points, correct. Entry 106, target कितना रखा है हमने? 120. So yes, 14 points will be the target. So risk is 13 points, reward is 14 points. So almost we can say, risk reward is 1:1. Right? जितना आपको loss हो रहा है, लगभग उतना ही अपने को क्या हो रहा है? Profit हो रहा है. So risk reward in this example is 1:1. If you lose, you will lose 13 points. Okay, if you make profit, you will make 14 points profit. So almost risk and reward is equal. So I will say risk reward is 1:1 in this case. So minimum risk reward ratio has to be 1:1. ये ratio जितना ज्यादा होगा उतना अच्छा. Okay, higher the risk reward ratio, better. But at least it should be 1:1. It should not be less than 1:1. Okay, it should not be the case like this. Risk 13 points and profit is only 8 points. Okay, this will not work. Because अगर ये trade में loss हुआ तो 13 points loss होगा, profit हुआ तो 8. So it does not make sense to take this trade. So risk reward has to be 1:1 or greater. If risk reward is 1:2, so how you will interpret? अगर risk reward आपको 1:2 दिख रहा है, this means what? If risk reward is 1:2, how you will interpret this? Correct. Reward is twice the risk. Correct. तो टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप 10 पॉइंट्स का रिस्क ले रहे हो तो आपको प्रॉफिट कितना हो सकता है? आपको प्रॉफिट हो सकता है 20 पॉइंट्स का. एनी कंफ्यूजन इन दिस? इज दिस क्लियर टू एवरीवन? So Monisha ma'am, it is clear to you? Okay. So what can be the other possibility? In breakout trading, the other possibility is stock price can break 80 level on downside. Right? If stock price is moving in one range, right, we do not know, okay, which side it will give a breakout. Either it can break a resistance or it can break a support also. If stock price breaks support, it will break with a bearish candle. Okay, like this. Okay, let's say this is 100 and this is 80. If there is a resistance breakout will be always with bullish candle and support breakdown will be with bearish candle. So again, this bearish candle has to be a very strong candle. तो ये कैंडल को हम क्या कहेंगे, ये कैंडल को हम लोग कहेंगे ब्रेक डाउन कैंडल, बिकॉज ये कैंडल ने सपोर्ट ब्रेक किया। ओके, जो यहां पर बायर्स एक्टिव थे उन सब बायर्स ने गिव अप कर दिया। नाउ सेलर्स हैव बिकम very active. That's why price managed to break 80 level on downside. So now it is expected price will fall from here. Again, how many points it will fall? Same, you need to find out the range. Range is same, 20 points. Now tell me guys, what will be the target according to you? If 80 is taken out, till what price, till what level price can fall? What do you think? Correct, it will fall till 60. Just like we have seen, agar 100 break hua, so it can go up 20 points. In the same way, agar 80 break hua, so it can come down till 60. So this will be the target in this case. Okay, next I will show you how to identify these support and resistance levels on graph. Okay, graph पे इसको आप कैसे identify करोगे? See, for support level, what you need to do, just look for the V formation. आपको support के लिए कौन सा formation देखना है? V. Can you see this is looking like a V formation? Okay, wherever you see a V formation, मतलब एक base बन गया. Okay, price has created a base. And for resistance level, you need to look for inverted V formation. और A formation इसको कह सकते हैं. Look at this. This is looking like a A. ओके, जहां जहां पर आपको ए शेप दिख रहा है, इन्वर्टेड वी या ए दिख रहा है, दिस मींस प्राइस ने एक यहां पर टॉप बना दिया है। ओके, और जहां जहां आपको वी फॉर्मेशन दिख रहा है, मतलब प्राइस ने एक बॉटम बेस बना दिया है। ओके, प्राइस हैज क्रिएटेड अ बॉटम। अगर ए इन्वर्टेड वी दिख रहा है आपको, दिस मींस प्राइस हैज क्रिएटेड अ टॉप। ओके, सो देयर इज मोर टू इट, सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस और भी है, हम लोग वी विल कवर दिस इन नेक्स्ट सेशन। ओके, नाउ लेट मी शो यू अगेन ऑन ग्राफ वॉट एवर वी हैव लर्न टिल नाउ। Okay, again, I will open TradingView platform. Okay, I hope everyone can see TradingView platform. Okay, let me show you now graph of first Kotak Bank. Okay, how to select stock? Okay, that also we will discuss slowly and gradually, everything I will cover. Okay, आपको stocks कैसे search करने हैं, that point I will also discuss. Now, first, what I will do, I will discuss this Kotak Bank with you on weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the Kotak Bank graph you can see on weekly time frame. Now look at this graph from 2021. इसको आप 2021 से देखो till date. Now what do you think? Since 2021, stock price is moving in which trend? Uptrend, downtrend, sideways. आपको क्या दिख रहा है? What you can see? Okay, everyone, please give it a try. नीलेश, मोनिशा मैम, आप भी ट्राई कीजिए. Since 2021 आपको ग्राफ कौन से डायरेक्शन में दिख रहा है? Right, sideways. Correct. So what we will do now, we will plot support and resistance. So just now I have discussed with you, support के लिए आपको क्या देखना है? V formation, right? Okay, let me highlight the V formation. Can you see this is looking like a V formation? Yes or no? दिखाइए आपको V formation. Everyone, is this clear? Right, one more V formation you can see. Okay, one more V formation here you can see. So all the bottoms will be almost at the same place. ओके जितने भी बॉटम्स बनेंगे आप देख सकते हो ऑलमोस्ट सेम लेवल पे बनेंगे. And for resistance, what we will do, we will look for A formation. So here you can see this is looking like a A formation. Okay, this is looking like a A formation. So all tops also you will see almost at the same level. So now what we will do, we will connect all these tops, bottoms, in दोनों को connect करेंगे and we will draw a horizontal line. Now how to draw a horizontal line? Okay, on your left side you can look at my cursor. This is trend line tools. इसको आप click करो. Okay, from here you can see horizontal line. You have to select horizontal line. इसका shortcut है Alt plus H. Okay, so if you press Alt plus H, you will have a horizontal line on graph. Okay, so maybe you can draw anywhere this horizontal line and then you can adjust. इसको आप इसको adjust कर सकते हो. So where you will keep this horizontal line? At the lower shadows of candle. Okay, candle के lower shadow पे आप रखोगे. Okay, make sure candle की real body बीच में नहीं आनी चाहिए. Okay, real body of candle should not fall in between. इसको आप 2021 से चेक करो. 2021 till date. Okay, make sure candle की real body नहीं आनी चाहिए. Now here you can see one candle real body is coming in between. Okay, एक candle की real body यहाँ पर बीच में आ रही है. Let me highlight for you. Okay, this candle is coming between. That's fine. Because यहाँ पर कुछ news आया था related to Kotak Bank. So because of that news, stock became very volatile. But after that, you can see it immediately recovered. Because जब भी ऐसी कोई न्यूज आती है, sometimes traders overreact on that news. After that, you can see immediately price recovered. So this type of a breakdown, अब ये आपको दिखेगा कि यहाँ पर इसने support break किया था, right? It is looking like a support breakdown, correct? So this type of a breakdown is a fake breakdown. Why fake breakdown? Because immediately you can see from next week stock price recovered. So that's why I told you, when we will take entry, we will always take entry. ये कैंडल, ओके, ब्रेकडाउन कैंडल के लो के नीचे आपको एंट्री लेनी है. जब तक ब्रेकडाउन कैंडल का लो ब्रेक नहीं हो रहा है, ओके, वी विल नॉट टेक एंट्री. सो दो इट इज अ ब्रेकडाउन बट एंट्री डिड नॉट ट्रिगर्ड. इन द सेम वे अगर रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेक हो रहा है, सो वंस प्राइस विल क्रॉस, ओके, रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेकआउट कैंडल हाई, फिर हम लोग एंट्री लेंगे. Okay, so this is the support. So since 2021, you can say, Kotak Bank is not going down below 1622, 1622. On upside, let's draw the resistance. अगर resistance को आप देखोगे तो since December 2021, say this level is working like a resistance for the graph. Okay, for resistance, we will connect all upper shadows of a candle. जितने ज्यादा candles के upper shadows cover हो रहे हैं, that's best. Okay, and support के लिए lower shadows. So 1970 is resistance as of now. So since 2021, 1970 के ऊपर नहीं जा पा रहा है कोटक बैंक and 1622 के नीचे नहीं जा पा रहा है. Now look at this candle high. So यहां पर ब्रेकआउट करने की कोशिश की थी, but again you can see on Friday price closed below 1970. Okay, in this week look at the high. Price कहां तक गई थी? 2060 तक. But price did not sustain. Okay, price ने sustain नहीं किया above 1970. Look at finally where it closed. It closed 1935. Okay, so 1970 is resistance, 1622 is support. So what we will do now, we will wait for Kotak Bank to give a breakout. Okay, we want one strong bullish candle to break this level. Okay, 1970. तब इसमें हम लोग ट्रेड प्लान करेंगे. Okay, how we will plan this trade? Above breakout candle high. Okay, ये breakout candle के high के ऊपर we will plan the trade. Okay, what will be the target? Can someone tell me? Resistance is 1970, support is 1622. अगर 1970 break हो रहा है, तो what can be the target? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट टारगेट गाइस? इसमें आप टारगेट कैलकुलेट करने से पहले फर्स्ट यू विल कैलकुलेट द रेंज, राइट? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट रेंज? रेजिस्टेंस माइनस सपोर्ट 1970, okay, minus 1622. Let's keep it 1620. Okay, to keep calculation simple, let's take it 1620. तो ये कितने पॉइंट्स की रेंज हो गई? 350 points. So once price cross 1970, you can expect 350 points target on upside. Okay, so 1970 plus 350. Okay, that should be the target. Okay, so target will be 2320. Got this point? Now, can you see past में ये already stock कहां तक ऊपर गया? Can you see in past already ये stock कहां तक ऊपर गया? See, before December 2021, can you see this stock made a already high of? Okay, past में अगर आप देखोगे तो यहां तक गया है already. Look at this candle high. Tell me what is this candle high? ये candle का high कितना दिख रहा है आपको? What is the candle high? Yes, 2247. So this can be your immediate target. Okay, जैसे ही प्राइस ने 1970 ब्रेक किया, okay, price will try to test the same level, okay, which is 2247. Once price cross 2247, then you will get this target, okay, 2320. Because this is the all-time high, you can say. Before December 2021, okay, you can see price has already touched or test this level 2247. Now, काफी सारे traders देखो यहां पर अटक गए होंगे, right? Many traders have gone trapped at this level because from 2247 से आप देखो कि प्राइस नीचे आ गई, and since then it is moving completely sideways. So when price will break 1970 and when price will hit this same level 2247, तो जो भी यहां पर ट्रैप हो गए, what they will do, they will try to exit, right? They will try to take exit. बिकॉज अभी वो लोग एग्जिट करेंगे तो उनको लॉस होगा, राइट? सो उनकी थिंकिंग क्या होगी? व्हेन प्राइस विल कम बैक एट माय बाय पॉइंट, ओके, देन आई विल एग्जिट. अभी बुक करेंगे तो नुकसान होगा, तो एटलीस्ट वी विल नॉट मेक एनी प्रॉफिट और लॉस इफ वी एग्जिट एट द सेम लेवल. तो जो भी ट्रेडर्स यहां पर ट्रैप हुए हैं, ओके, दे विल ट्राई टू एग्जिट. सो दैट्स व्हाई स्टॉक कैन फेस अगेन सेलिंग प्रेशर एट सेम लेवल 2247. Once 2247 is crossed, then 2320 you can expect the target. So is this point clear, Monisha ma'am, now? How 2247 came? Okay, so keep a track on Kotak Bank and see how it is, doing. Okay, next stock I will show you Bajaj Finserv. Okay, Bajaj Finserv on. Let's look at on weekly time frame again. Okay, now look at this graph from July onwards or September onwards. इसको आप देख सकते हो, July, September, and tell me what where it is facing the resistance. Correct. Around 1700, it is taking resistance. And where is the support? इसको आप support के लिए you can look at from November onwards and see where price is taking support. Okay, since November, where price is taking support. Right? 1740 के आसपास रेजिस्टेंस दिख रहा है मुझे. See, this is the resistance. यहां से ऊपर नहीं गया. And since November, you can see this is the support. Okay, price is stuck in this range. 15271740. तो ये कितने पॉइंट्स हो गया? Almost how many points you can see? Range is of how many points? Almost 200 points, right? Okay, here you can see now what happened. Okay, we have a breakout. Okay, look at here. This is a breakout with strong candle. Okay, range is of almost 200 points. तो यहां से स्टॉक कितना ऊपर जाना चाहिए? 200 points ऊपर जाना चाहिए, correct? So this is a very strong breakout. So this is what we want. Okay, breakout with strong candle. Now you can see this is a very strong candle. Real body is very big. Shadows are very minimum, right? Upper shadow, lower shadow. And from here, I will expect at least 200 points move. And here you can see exactly we got 200 points move. So in the month of August, in last week of August, it has given a breakout. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 weeks back to back, you can see bullish candles. So entire September month, this stock is positive. So almost the target was 1950, 1940. Right. So in this candle, you can see the target is achieved. Stock made a high of 2029. Okay, now I will give you 2 to 3 stocks to practice. Okay, and then maybe you can try this at your home when you get time, and we will discuss, all 3 stocks tomorrow. Okay, first I want you to find out support resistance in Godrej Properties. Okay, number 2, DLF. Number 3, Polycab. Number 4, okay, National Aluminum. Okay, write down these 4 stocks. And I want you to spot support and resistance in all these 4 stocks on daily time frame. Okay, I will send you the time frame. Okay, कहाँ से आपको देखना है? From where you should spot support and resistance. Initially, I will help you with this. Like you have to look at the chart from January, February. कौन से month से आपको देखना है? That I will share with you on WhatsApp. Okay, so anything you guys like to ask here? Is this clear? Everything in today's session सबको समझ में आया? Nilesh, Monisha ma'am, Tejista, everything is clear? Okay, so shall we wind up here? Okay, sure. We will wind up here. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, I will update you the timing.